Hi, my name's Tony Rogers, and I am hoping to teach you how to play Hey Jude today on the cello. So thanks for popping in. This is Hey Jude in D major. The original's in F, so you won't be able to play with the original recording on this, but you can play along with me. All right, so we're going to start out in first position. I always like to say pluck your open G and put your fourth finger on a G on the D so you can get your hand in position. That's just great anytime you're starting playing anything on the cello. Get yourself calibrated. So this song starts with an up bow A. Oh, and by the way, if you don't have the music, send me an email and I will send it to you. Open A, drop your third finger, or have your third finger touching already. F sharp. 2, 3. In first position. Let's do that again. 2, 3. Notice how I'm leaving my third down. 2, 3, 4. Now here we've got a quick shift. And notice how I did that shift. First finger slides from a B up to an imaginary C sharp and a fourth finger placed on the E. Okay? You may want to practice. Like that. And then the next part is right there underneath your hands because you put your first finger in the right spot. And then a quick shift back to first position, 4-1. Now we're going to shift up the same location and play a second finger G on the D string. Reason for that is because the C sharp can be tough to reach in this position. That's what you have to do if you're going to play it all in first position. Way easier. Repeat. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4. Tough little rhythm. 2, 3, loop together, 4, 1, and again, 3, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1. Going on. Place a fourth finger and place what's called a bridge, or at least that's what I've always heard it called, to cross two strings at the same time, 4 and 4 on the A and the D string. So it's really smooth. Not, but so that line is. If you kept your fourth finger touching the D string when you come. See how I'm still touching that D string. As much as you can, stay in position. Next line is a different rhythm. 1. Notice how that D falls. Boom on beat 2. 1. Same bridge. We should do that rhythm again. 2, 3, 4, 1. Oops. 3, 4, 1. Again. 3, 4, 1. Bridge. shift up into fourth position and play E, F sharp, G, or back here if that fourth position is too high. Always, I love to say fourth position is not this. It's not the end of the cello and then reaching forward. See how my hand position has changed to be angled down? It's this, out to the side, always on the cello. Repeat, beginning, 2, 3. 4. Here's that shift. Coda. Now this is different. This is C sharp, D. We shift on the open string to first position, second finger F natural. We do a little like little hop. Fourth finger. Do the same 2 to 2 on an F natural to F sharp up here in fourth position. Not. Don't aim with the fingers, be on the outside of the hand. And we'll get that far and do it all again. This is third finger C sharp. That'd be a great thing to practice a bit. 3, let's do it. 4, C sharp. I didn't got that far. I'll tell you in a second what that is all about. C sharp. Okay, let's get there. Then we're going to play our thumb. Just make a little hitchhiking sign and put it on the cello. And find out where that harmonic is. A harmonic is when you're not pressing a note down, but just touching a note in a specific spot, and it rings real easily. Not a harmonic. Harmonic. And then third finger, D natural. This is an A, B, C sharp, D. In the key that we're in. So try to keep your hands as forward as possible. But there's some settling that has to happen. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Let's play that whole lick and see if we can do it. Awesome. Try it again. C sharp. 3, 4. Last time, then we'll go on to the na-nas. Yeah, here's your C sharp. 3, 4. Open. And we're going to start in second position, F sharp. Because then our fourth finger E is right here. 4. First position. 3, 4. Alright, I hope this tutorial has helped you, which is a great song, so enjoy it.